Hello everyone, welcome to another Klaviyo tutorial. Today I will show you how to add image to email in Klaviyo. So this is actually very simple. So first of all, you need to navigate to the brand library or images and brand, and here you can click upload images. Now here, all you have to do is host your image. So you need to basically highlight the URL, and then as you can see, you need to select an image. First you need to obviously browse and then select an image and upload the image, right? And then as you can see, you can basically go and you can highlight the copy URL from the search bar at the top of your browser. Okay, now that you have the image, if you ever want to delete an image from your Klaviyo brand library, this is how you delete it. But if you want to add an image in the text block, in email, then all you have to do is open the email template editor and then click on the text block where you would like to add the image and then click on the image icon. It's very simple, and then all you have to do is just paste the URL from the step 6, which is this right here. And then optionally you can add alt text and set a height or width for the image, and then you can click apply, and that's pretty much it. So that's how you can go and set the image. Obviously you can always delete an image right here in the Klaviyo brand library, but overall this is how you can delete an image. Very simple, very easy. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video.